Question. What is the name of the joint airborne exercise conducted by the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force in February 2025? A. Exercise Winged Raiders. B. Exercise Gagan Shakti. C. Exercise Yuddha Abhyas. D. Exercise Vayu Shakti. Answer. A. Exercise Winged Raiders. Question. Which city is the host of IIASDARPG India Conference 2025? A. New Delhi. B. Chennai. C. Hyderabad. D. Kolkata. Answer. A. New Delhi. Question. Satkosha Tiger Reserve is located in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Gujarat. D. Orissa. Answer. D. Orissa. Question. Who won the 2025 Chennai Open Tennis Men's Single title? A. Kirian Jacque. B. Elias Weimer. C. Dalibor Sviacina. D. Billy Harris. Answer. A. Kirian Jacque. Question. Exercise Cyclone 2025 is conducted between India and which country? A. Maldives. B. Australia. C. Indonesia. D. Egypt. Answer. D. Egypt. Question. Who will release the Devolution Index Report on 13 February 2025? A. Narendra Singh Tomar. B. Amit Shah. C. Prof. SP Singh Baghel. D. Nitin Gadkari. Answer. Prof. SP Singh Baghel. Question. Against which team did Matthew Breetzke score 150 runs on his OD debut? A. India. B. Australia. C. New Zealand. D. Pakistan. Answer. New Zealand. Question. Who launched India's first indigenous automated biomedical waste treatment plant, Srijanam? A. Narendra Modi. B. Dr. Jitendra Singh. C. Mansukh Mandaviya. D. Amit Shah. Answer. Dr. Jitendra Singh. Question. Who is organizing the Donate Organs, Save Lives initiative? A. ICC. B. BCCIC. Niti Aayog. D. IIT Delhi. Answer. ICC. Question. Where will the Olympic Esports Games 2027 be held? A. Tokyo. B. Ottawa. C. Riyadh. D. Berlin. Answer. Riyadh.